welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time. I've missed you guys so much, and I'm so happy to be back in front of the camera and back on YouTube filming and editing videos, and I hope you all enjoy this tutorial. So I asked you guys on my Instagram if you would rather a daily makeup routine or if you want me to try new products, and 66% of you guys said that you would want me to record a daily makeup routine, so I'm just going to get into this tutorial. This is what I do on a day-to-day basis. I don't wear makeup every day, but if I'm running errands, if I'm working, or if I'm doing anything that doesn't require extravagant glam makeup, this is what I would do every single day. Before this video, I already cleansed and prepped my skin. I will be doing a skincare routine update video. My skin is kind of bad right now, but that is a good thing because from now until that video, I will be showing you my progress and my updates and how I improved my skin. I don't get this too often, but when I do know tips and tricks on how to better my skin, and I will be showing you guys how to do that in a future upcoming video. So first, I'm going to use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 6.5. I did a review on this a few months ago. I fell in love with this foundation. It's my favorite one. It's my go-to, and I absolutely adore it. I just take a few pumps on the back of my hand, and I put it on the back of a brush. And if I'm looking to the side over here, it's just because that's where my mirror is. I'm currently renovating my vanity, so that's why I'm not in front of my vanity right now. I'm in a different spot. And I know a lot of you guys wanted a talk through tutorial instead. If you guys think this is more helpful, just like my video below, and I will be making more talk through tutorials. So I just put on a light layer. This is medium to full coverage. You can build it up if you want to. So usually I put one layer. I'm using the Morphe Y6 brush to buff it in. And I do gentle circular motions, and then I kind of pat it in. I don't want the brush to pick up all of the foundation and to take it away. So I kind of gently pat it in. And then continue to do circular motions. And I love this foundation so much. The luminosity is insane. I mean, if you can already see it, I can from my mirror. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but just with this foundation, it just gives me such a nice dewy skin. Look, it looks like I have highlight on, and I have nothing but this foundation. I mean, technically, if I wanted to, I could just walk out of my house like this. Like, I could set it and be good, because it just gives such a nice finish. But even my light daily makeup is still a lot of makeup. Next, I'm going to take my all-time fave Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium. So I just take my brush and I kind of just do this line, and down my nose, and I take my beauty blender and I blend that right in. Then I'm going to take my Coty Airspun powder. It's my favorite loose powder. And I'm just going to gently pat that under. And I use a beauty blender to pat in the powder instead of a brush, because I feel like the blender absorbs the powder, so I don't have that cakey look on my face. So the next step I'm going to go is to contour. This is a hidden gem at the drugstore. You can get this at any CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and this is in Dulce de Leche. I bought it from CVS, and I just became obsessed. It's super pigmented and blendable, and I'm pretty sure it's only like $5, so this is just as good as a Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, which is another one of my favorite contour kits. I am using a Morphe E4 brush. Now I'm taking my NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Dark Tan with a Morphe brush. This doesn't have a number, it came in one of the Morphe kits. And this is just to bronze my skin. I like to go a little bit above the contour line. That's where I bronze. Next, moving on to my favorite highlight. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlight. It's my all-time fave. This one is my favorite. Now I'm going to go in with the Sigma E30 brush to contour my nose. And I'm going to go back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter to then highlight my nose. And I'm going to take another Morphe brush. This came in the same set, so it doesn't have a number. And I'm going to highlight the brow bone. And the inner corner of my eye. This is my Palette Get Ready in Less Than 30 Minutes look. Now I'm going to go in with my Mario Badescu facial spray, which I'm almost done. I have to get more. And spray that to set my face. And while that is setting, I am going to take my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And I'm going to coat my lower lashes. So usually for my daily makeup look, I don't have lashes on, or I don't add lashes because then it takes too long. But since I have lash extensions, these are perfect for this kind of quick look because I just don't have to do anything to the top of my eyes, and I love that. Next, I'm going to line my lips with Morphe Sweetheart. And then I'm going to go in with KKW Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Kimberly. It is one of my favorite nudes. It's kind of like a pinky nude, but it's super cute. And this is the final look. This is what I do on a day-to-day basis. And I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. This was super easy and super quick. It is very dewy and semi-natural. It's natural to glam. It's not if you want to look like you have no makeup on, because it's very apparent that I have makeup on. But, you know, it's not overdone, and it's just my favorite look on me. And I hope you guys all enjoyed this tutorial. And thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and leave any future video ideas down below so that I know what you guys want.